Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days. So in this video I'll teach you how to recover your deleted Facebook account after 30 days that you have deleted it. For example, you only wanted to do a short break from Facebook and you have deleted it, and accidentally you have went over the 30-day period, and this is how you do it. So if you want to recover it, go to your Google browser or any type of browser in your phone or your desktop, and basically go to your search bar and search your Facebook support, as you can see right here, facebook.com/support. So facebook.com/support. So from there you'll be redirected to this type of page. So here they'll say how it can help you. So basically all you have to do is go to your account settings. Then from there, all you have to do is actually just press the no and was this helpful, and then press other. And then here we have to state that we want to recover our Facebook account and we have went over the time. So perhaps we just want to say hello team Facebook, and then just place here I deleted my Facebook account, and I want to take a break from it, and since there was no option available to temporarily deactivate my Facebook, just place there that you want to recover it, and then state to them that you want to recover it after the 30-day period, and then you have to submit it. And then within 48 hours they might respond to you and they might recover it back for you. So there you go guys, that is how you recover deleted Facebook account after 30 days here in Facebook. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.